But I've literally been working on this for fucking 2-ish weeks. I finally got it done. My boy Rico came out and helped a little bit. But if you're thinking about buying a turbonetics Rev9 kit, I would say have a lot of time and a lot of patience. I originally started with $3,300 for the build. I thought that was everything I was going to need. And then I slowly started buying more things that I needed. My oil pan spacer, for example. The NPT fittings were different from the Rev9 kit, so I had to get something for that to adapt in there. My oil line fittings, not the cooler, I had to get a 1/8 BSPT to 1/8 NPT. That's the British Standard thread versus the National Pipe thread. So found it on Amazon for about 10 bucks. And I got a smaller 4-way T than what came in the kit. I hooked up the original oil pressure sensor. I hooked up the AEM pressure sensor and then the oil feed line for the turbo. So I also needed to buy brackets because it didn't come with them. Made that myself. There's tons of fabrication that I had to do. I had to bend that side of the wall in a little bit, bend that pipe in a little bit. What else? I had to bend that pipe there a little bit so that would go on there. I had to makeshift something there from an old cold air intake. I cut this pipe and I kept the adapter that came with my cold air intake. And as far as other fabrications go, I will have to fabricate something for the wastegate. I have to get a pipe that comes through there. And I'm not sure if I'm going to run it back by itself or if I'm going to run it into the exhaust itself. But the exhaust worked out pretty well, actually. No leaks. Goes to the back over there. Comes up. I put my hands around things and I couldn't feel anything. I'm not sure if one of my wideband sensors is off. That's why it's going crazy. But I'll keep you guys updated with what I find out. Other than that, that's my first turbo install. It's about 90% complete. I'm out.